Are you tired of being limited to the apps available on your Windows PC? Do you wish you could access the vast library of apps on Google Play Store? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process of installing Google Play Store on your Windows PC. Now, before we begin, it's important to note that the Google Play Store is primarily designed for Android devices. However, with the help of an Android emulator, you can enjoy the Play Store experience on your Windows PC. Step 1. Let's download and install an Android emulator on our Windows PC. There are many popular options available, such as BlueStacks, Nox App Player, and MemoPlay. Choose the one that suits your preference and follow the installation instructions. You'll find the link for all three down below in the descriptions. In this example, I'll go with MemoPlay Emulator since it's the one with the least issues installing on your PC. To install MemoPlay, let's go to their main site and let's click on the download button. And once the exe file has been downloaded, let's click on it to launch the installation. Step 2. Once the Android emulator is successfully installed, launch it on your Windows PC. You'll be greeted with a virtual Android environment, similar to what you would find on your Android device. Step 3. Now you need to sign into your Google account within the Android emulator. This step is crucial as it allows you to access Google Play Store and download apps. If you don't have a Google account, create one by following the on-screen instructions. Step 4. Once you're signed in, you can now access Google Play Store within the Android emulator. Open the Play Store app and you'll be able to browse and download apps, just like you would on an Android device. Remember, some apps may not be compatible with the Android emulator or your Windows PC's hardware. However, the majority of popular apps should work smoothly. Congratulations! If you have made it this far, you have successfully installed Google Play Store on your Windows PC using an Android emulator. Now you can explore a wide range of apps and enjoy the same experience as an Android users. Keep in mind that the performance of apps may vary depending on your PC specifications and the capability of the Android emulator you chose. It's always recommended to check the system requirements and reviews of the emulator to ensure optimal performance. By following these steps, you can bring the world of Google Play Store to your Windows PC. Enjoy the vast selection of apps, games, and other digital content right at your fingertips. I hope you learned something today. If you enjoyed watching, please consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.